Hello YouTubers, so today I'm going to review the GRoller from GrandPitstop. This is the size M that we have got here for bike weights up to 220 kgs and tire size of less than or up to 180 mm. So they do have size S and L. This we purchased for, my friend has purchased for his Benelli TNT 300, which comes in this category, the size and weight wise. So next I'll show you how to mount the GRoller, how to mount the bike on the GRoller. Let me show you what comes in the box first. We have one GRoller size M and the user manual. So this has got instructions how to use it. So I'm going to show you how to mount the bike on the GRoller now. You need to keep it on an absolutely flat surface. There are rubber grips given at the back side, and keep it at a distance of 6 inch to 1 inch away from the rear tire, and the tire needs to come on the left hand side of the GRoller when you're facing this way. So we don't have to mount the tire in the center or on the rightmost side. It has to come on the leftmost side. And just roll the bike up. That's it, and you're mounted. So once the bike is up, you can roll the tire and make your necessary chain lubing, chain setting that you need to do. Okay. So this side you can see the gap that it is exactly in the center now. The tire tends to slip, so that is the reason why we have to keep it on the left hand side and not center or right. So this is how it works. You can roll the tire, you can lube it while rolling it. You can roll it with one hand and you can lube it with the second hand. So this is how the GRoller works. Let me know if you have any questions.